Steam ovens are remarkable for cooking many different types of food, or even just reheating leftovers. But actually, there's a lot of simple tasks that you can perform in a steam oven, and poaching eggs is one of them. Now you can see, when you just want to poach eggs in a little ramekin, all you have to do is to spray the ramekin with a little bit of cooking oil spray, or you can butter them if you prefer, and then crack the eggs into the ramekin. I've tried with butter and with cooking oil spray, and they release better with cooking oil spray. Now, if you want to step it up a little bit and have some vegetables, then you can saute some broccoli, and or if you've got some vegetables left over from a meal the night before, just add them. However, a little tip, if you have cooked vegetables coming cold out of the refrigerator, put the vegetables into the ramekin first, pop it in the steam oven for 2 minutes before you add the cheese and the egg, because the egg is only going to be in there for just around 5 minutes, and if the vegetables are really cold, they might still be cold when the egg is set, and not quite a good combination. I'm using freshly cooked or freshly sauteed broccoli, and I've added a little bit of mozzarella. If I'd had some cheddar cheese, I would have added that, because cheddar and broccoli are very good partners. Now, I've also made some eggs with some sauteed mushrooms, and to these eggs I've added a little bit of goat cheese and mozzarella. So you can see it's very, very easy to poach eggs in the steam oven. These were large eggs, they were at room temperature, and I programmed the oven to cook for 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Yes, I've done it quite a few times, and that seems to be the magic number for me. So, you know, with everything in the steam oven, the first few times you just have to pay attention until you know how your steam oven is going to work best. One really great thing about these poached eggs, if you've made a couple for a brunch and they didn't all get eaten, cover them and refrigerate them, reheat them the next day, and they'll be just as delicious. It's the magic of a steam oven. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.